become one of those lesbian couples now in jail?
Yeah, and you could be the butch.
Yes. Hey.
These two teens aren't on some thrill ride, they've just been arrested for a disturbing act that left their target's mother deeply traumatized.
I haven't been eating and I've been waking up on alert. It's never going to be the same.
On January 23, 2026, officers arrive at Lake Brantley High School to arrest 15-year-old Isabel Valdez, who is sitting calmly, hiding a disturbing secret.
Isabel? Yeah. You do me a favor, try to stand up, put your hands behind your back.
Have they explained what's going on?
Keep coming. Don't worry.
They haven't explained to you? So unfortunately, you are under arrest.
But she isn't the only one. Her 14-year-old friend, Lois Lippert, is arrested next. As the entire school reels in fear from the incident, the community searches for answers about the motive behind such a brutal plan. But once the two friends are seated inside the patrol car, their behavior and conversation reveal the depth of their troubled minds.
Lois. Are we gonna be in the same one?
What do you mean, same one?
Same jail?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah!
Alrighty.
Wait, they went through his phone.
God. Yeah! Hey, what are you doing here?
No, he's not.
Gonna be arrested too.
What? Why?
Yes, I told him he knew. He didn't report me. I told him already. He did a tip?
There was a tip showing. Did you not see it?
No?
Someone tipped.
He fucking snitched.
Please, he did a tip though. Cause it was an anonymous tip. But I was just assuming it was by the writing.
Yeah.
Just like
It was?
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god. God, I knew I shouldn't have told him. Cause he was like, oh, can you please tell me I can't sleep tonight? Fuck you! God! She's such a fucking snitch.
Police recovered a backpack from them containing a knife, gloves, trash bags, and wipes. They also found disturbing notes and drawings from the suspects that portrayed violent acts.
So, dude, they took away my chocolate.
No!
I was able to eat like a part of it, like a part of the big bar.
Oh my god.
But then that's it.
Were you able to? Damn it. Bro, I wanted to come back to second period so I could have like nibbled on some with you. I was like, this was my main goal. Because like they spent like an hour at the beginning just like trying to. And I only realized that like then like I was like, yeah, Ash is their preferred name. I don't know their real name like at all. Dude, they pulled up the security cameras and stuff, and they got to see us walking out.
Saw.
Yeah, that was the first time I've ever seen this. I wanted to see so much more. I was like, whoa, look, I'm on the cameras now.
They had been planning for months to lure the victim into a school bathroom, slit his throat, and drink his.
Go shoot him, at least.
Yeah. We'd be in prison for life.
Yeah. I wonder how long we're gonna get.
I'm probably not gonna get that much time.
I
touched the knife for a few seconds, yo.
We're gonna become one of those lesbian couples now in jail?
Yeah, and you could be the butch.
Yes! Hey, this is my bitch. Stay away.
Yeah.
Then they discuss about their makeup and how they'll appear in their mugshots.
You trying to look good for your mugshot?
Oh shit, am I gonna get a mugshot?
What, we're going to jail? What do you think?
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
Dude, I was gonna do my makeup this morning for the mugshot, but I couldn't find anything.
I'm glad I don't actually look too bad today.
I look horrible. It's over.
And don't worry, you don't need to, don't worry, you're the butch. It doesn't matter if you look good.
Hey, at least they were gonna see me some way or another in the mugshot. Yeah, I'm not guilty for my actions, but no, I was like, I don't feel guilty for my actions, but I feel guilty on how you were gonna feel. Because honestly, I don't fucking care. But I did write a note to my parents. Did they like you write one?
I think you
should have asked.
Isabel is referring to the note in which she wrote a disturbing confession to her parents. It says, "Dear Mama and Papa, I'm sorry for what I'm going to do. Hopefully you will find this paper. I want you guys to know none of this is your fault, or anyone else's in that matter, for myself, and the Sandy Hook shooter. They told me that you would come back to speak to me if I did it for him, if he wanted it. I think it's a fair and beautiful scene of devotion on my behalf. I love him. We're soulmates, just waiting to be reunited once more. I wanted you guys to know that you were the most perfect parents ever. I'm sorry I could not be a better child. I know there has been something wrong with me since I was a little kid. I just never showed it, and I'm sorry. I was never really shy. I just hated people, and I was aware of how disgusting everyone is. Being forced to talk was torture. I pretended to be a socialite to make you guys happy because I loved seeing you guys happy. It was one of the only things that made me happy. Over the years, I've just lost control over myself and my emotions. Whenever I told someone I hated you guys, it was a pure lie. I'm sorry for overhurting you, and I deserve what's coming from me, as I'm also disgusting, cruel, and useless.
Mood disorder, but like, really like shit like that.
Dude, I thought I was gonna get sent to the fucking psych ward. That's why I was so excited about everything. You think I would be so jolly if I was going to jail?
Yeah, I was kind of assuming they were wording it like you were gonna go to psych ward.
I know. Dude, I should have.
Not only that, officers also discovered explicit drawings Lois created, depicting herself with several male figures.
And then they pulled out the bag from my backpack. I had to tell them everything that was inside. Dude, and now, they also saw the drawings.
Oh yeah, I told them about that. I told them like, yeah, I did some weird drawings I didn't actually tell the full thing till like 10:30, I think.
Yeah, they made me tell everything that was in the drawings.
Oh, hey, can you remind me of the drawings? Let me just know what they went through.
Dude.
Did they comment on it? They were like, this is really good! Did they say anything?
Yeah, they said, you're quite the artist, and I was like, no, that's my friend Lois's.
Isabel was the one who initiated the ruthless plan to kill a classmate from her own school. For days, without his knowledge, she tracked his movements, taking photos and videos of him. But she soon realized that something this extreme couldn't be carried out alone. So, she brought her friend Lois into it, convincing her to join. Together, they carefully planned the attack. They were also part of secret online groups that glorified violence, where harming others was seen as heroic and a way to build bonds. At one point, they even sharpened a knife at school. Other students had reportedly been threatened before, which had already alerted authorities, and an investigation was underway prior to their arrest. January 23rd was the day they intended to carry out the attack. But before they could act, police arrived and arrested them after receiving a tip from another student. If that tip hadn't come in, the target might not have survived.
Yeah, I think, in my dreams, he told me that he wanted me to kill him. So I think it's only fair, you know?
Yeah. Oh my god, I almost laughed and I almost peed myself.
Dude,
But the motive behind it all is more shocking than anyone could have imagined.
I need to cough.
Cough on me.
You weirdo.
Oh.
I kinda need to fart.
Please don't.
Dude, I needed to take a shit over there, and like, I was so embarrassed because they kept on coming into the stall with me. And when I sat down, I felt like I had the shit, and I felt like it was gonna come out. Because I had diarrhea. I still have it.
Shit, we get there.
You out here cleaning it up.
Oh, no thank you.
We gotta go to the bathroom. I already got suspension on my list of criminal charges.
Dude, we're probably gonna be... Well, no, but...
What?
Honestly, we're probably gonna get, like, a minimum of, what, 4 years or so?
I'm not getting 4 years.
Yes, you are. You helped.
Dude, that was like... I'm not getting that. I'm not doing that.
Hey, by the time...
When I'm out. Before you.
Okay. Shut up. You're not gonna be out before me.
How would I get a longer sentence than you?
Cause... It's okay.
No, I was expertising my, my sharpening skills. I sharpen stuff, like... Come on.
The motive behind their plan is deeply disturbing. According to them, the intended victim resembled Adam Lanza, the perpetrator of the Sandy Hook Elementary School shooting, with whom Isabel was allegedly obsessed. On December 14, 2012, Adam carried out a mass shooting that killed 26 people, most of them young children, before taking his own life. Isabel's fixation reportedly became so intense that she began to believe killing someone who looked like Adam could somehow bring him back in life through blood.
Dude, they said they were gonna go take photos in the bathroom as evidence. Dude, I don't know what they're gonna fucking take though. It was on the metal pipe. What are you supposed to take there?
Yeah.
I do feel bad for my mama. That's the only person I feel bad for. And you. I feel bad for your mama too.
Not for what happened to him, but then I'm gonna be gone. He's probably gonna be so worried. Yeah. We're never sitting with that again, am I right?
I know.
Fucking.
Oh yeah, hey, it's gonna be Yoey.
I should have never worn that army shirt.
I know.
Ah, fuck yo.
I shouldn't have told him. God.
However, the notes found from Isabel reveal a deeply disturbed mindset, portraying her as someone who harbored an intense and irrational hatred toward others. The note includes Isabel detailing fantasies about killing her target. The note says, "It was just like any other normal day. I swear nothing seemed off until I remembered him. Oh, how much I loved you. Today was finally the day. You're so worth it, expletive. We were leaving second period. I grabbed him. I don't know what happened, but I just started talking. Oh, you're so beautiful. The cutest boy around. I loved him very dearly. I would ruin my life for him, and that is very much what I was doing. I was able to get my hands on some chloroform. It knocked him out cold. It was absolutely perfect. I was already in the bathroom with him. He hadn't had woken up yet, so I was just waiting. He was so small, so precious. I had been waiting for this for a long time. Slowly, he woke up. I saw those beautiful eyes I much adored. Finally up close, he was absolute perfection. Hi, sweetheart. I said it without thinking. He looked extremely disturbed. I don't blame him. Who wouldn't? LOL. He didn't speak, just looked in terror. I pulled the knife out of my bag and held it up to his throat. I saw the fear. I saw his breath hitch. It gave me more adrenaline. I pulled my phone out and started recording. Can you smile at the camera? I held the knife closer to his throat. I watched as he forced him a soft smile just for me.
What?
I need to pee.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I'm going to hit you.
You can't hit me.
Yes, I can. Come here, move over here, I'm gonna hit you in the head. Come here, Lois, come here. Come here.
Wait, stop, I'm actually gonna piss myself by laughing anymore.
Yuck! What's wrong with you?
It's bad.
Both teens are being tried as adults and face charges that include attempted first-degree premeditated murder. At a March 2026 hearing, the judge denied bond for both, pointing to their sociopathic attitude, captured in police footage as evidence that they pose a serious risk to the community.
I don't think there's anything that I could do that would keep the community safe, and it's clearly a dangerous crime. All the elements I think have been met.
As of late March 2026, they remain in custody without bond. Both have entered not guilty pleas, and their next court date is set for April 29, 2026.
Video that I watched, they thought this was cute. I don't want her on the internet talking to other young folks about this. It's too dangerous.
For an hour.
No! Don't even.
Oh, is it because I'm here?
For Isabel and Lois, carrying out such a heinous plan may have seemed disturbingly casual, but it left a deep and lasting traumatic impact on the intended victim and his mother. Although the victim was ultimately unharmed, his mother is left grappling with the terrifying reality of what could have happened.